The best family breeds are gentle, loyal, and great with children. Here are 10 dogs that bring joy, love, and companionship into any home. 1. Labrador Retriever. Friendly, playful, and dependable. Gets along with everyone, kids, adults, and other pets. Always ready for the next family adventure. 2. Golden Retriever. Loyal, intelligent, and patient. Always eager to please. One of the most loving breeds in the world. 3. Beagle. Curious, happy, and full of energy. Great with children and always ready to explore. Needs plenty of play and attention.